Intelligent Concrete, where innovation and sustainability meet technology. Howdy y'all, John Belkowitz here, Intelligent Concrete. We have a Future Friday talk. The talk that we've got today is called Imagine Pushing a Button and in 24 hours, you got a house. Ba-ba-da-ba! What you see right here is 3D printing, and that's what we're focusing on in this video. And if you're a contractor and you have timber homes, you're building 1,500 homes a year, 1,000 to 2,000, you should be listening to this because in the next 5 minutes, 6 minutes, you're going to be like, ah, shit, this is a good idea. All right, so let's get into we've got an ever-growing population. There's somewhere around 7.7 billion people in the world, and it's growing like a hockey stick. Because of that, not just here in Colorado, but all over the world, we're going to need more infrastructure, civil infrastructure, and more homes. Now, you couple that major need, especially here in Colorado. Colorado Springs was one of the most popular places to move out to last year. We can't build homes fast enough. We get to work with contractors all over Colorado. Just last month, I was working with a contractor and I said, Mike, how's business going? And what did Mike say? He's like, John, it's too good. I said, what? I was like, that's great, dude. He goes, no. We built 1,500 homes last year. I'm working my boys 60 to 70 hours a week, and it's hard work, and I'm beating them up. They're going to start leaving if we don't get enough people, and that's the reality of where we're at. What Mike is talking about is this major labor shortage, and I don't care where you live. It might be 35, it might be 45%, but it is growing. We have a major labor shortage of skilled timber builders, what do you call them, framers, carpenters, ready-mix guys, finishers. I mean, it's just a labor shortage for the construction industry. And when you couple that with the ever-increasing prices of timber, and I don't care what the reasons are, COVID, this, that, or the other, they're not going to go back down to what they used to. And if you're of the mindset that, oh, John, I'm just going to wait it out, keep waiting. I remember back in the 80s when Kellogg's cereal, there was a major increase in price in cereal. It went from like $1 a box to $3 a box. And we were all like, holy crap, we're not going to eat Kellogg's ever again. I think you buy a box of Kellogg's for like $6 now. So that price is never going to go back down to the original price. There is an answer. With 3D printing, you have the option of pressing a button and 24 hours later coming back to see a house. Maybe 48 hours later. Maybe you gotta have one person sitting in a lawn chair watching it happen. And yeah, I think we can find a video clip from a multi-story construction in Dubai. And based on the price of lumber, the price of labor now, automating it and making the whole house out of concrete, it's kind of getting close to cost comparison there. So if you are a home builder, if you've seen, my Uncle Richard is a home builder, and this is where it comes from. He was building 6 houses this year. Went over to have breakfast with them by the stream this weekend. And he's stressed out. I'm like, what are you stressed out about? He's like, mate, I can't get any one of my contractors to show up on time. He goes, sometimes I can't even find a contractor. And he's building 6 big, beautiful homes. They have like a yoga studio down the street that they're building too. Just can't get the contractors, can't get the materials. So again, if you're in this arena, this is an option that you can look at. And there's some great companies out there. Icon, Apis Core, SIB, StructureBot, MudBot. The list goes on. There are a bunch of companies out there who are looking to get into the industry. Make it happen, Captain. Don't sit on your hands. Get out there. Let us know if you have questions. We're really interested in it, and we're part of the industry who's trying to make this happen. So again, thanks for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt.